Hi, welcome to our channel Creative Investing.
Making money online is a dream for many people. One of the most popular ways to make money online is using PayPal.
In this video, we will show you different ways to earn free PayPal money.
Number 1. Get paid for your opinion with Survey Junkie, 150-point sign-up bonus.
One of the easiest ways to make free PayPal money is by completing paid surveys. Survey Junkie is one of the best survey websites out there. They offer a variety of surveys that you can complete in your spare time. Most importantly, they're a legitimate company that pays their users on time. You can request a payout through PayPal when you reach the minimum cash out threshold of $5.
The money will be in your account within a few days.
Number 2. Complete surveys through Branded Surveys, 100-point sign-up bonus.
Branded Surveys is another excellent option for completing surveys in your spare time.
They offer a wide range of surveys on a variety of topics. And you can start earning points as soon as you sign up for an account. Once you reach 500 points, equivalent to $5, you can request your payout through PayPal. Branded Surveys offers a 50-point sign-up bonus when creating an account and another 50 points for completing your first profile survey.
Number 3. Swagbucks, $10 sign-up bonus. Swagbucks is an online platform that offers a variety of ways to make money. In addition to completing surveys, you can earn Swagbucks by watching videos, shopping online, and searching the web.
Once you've earned enough Swagbucks, you can redeem them for PayPal cash or gift cards from your favorite stores.
Number 4. Win PayPal money with Blackout Bingo.
Blackout Bingo is a fast-paced bingo game where you can win real cash prizes. As of this writing, the app has an overall 4.5-star rating and over 76,000 reviews on the App Store. The game is a fresh, social competitive twist to the classic game where you can win real-world rewards and cash prizes.
Cash out your earnings easily via PayPal. Cash tournaments are available in most of the world. Cash tournaments are not enabled in the following states: AZ, AR, CT, DE, Illinois, IN, LA, ME, MT, SC, SD, and TN. If you don't live in a prize-enabled region, you can still play for free. Number 5. Inbox Dollars, $5 sign-up bonus. Inbox Dollars are a great way to make some extra money.
You can take surveys, watch videos, and do other simple tasks to earn cash. Once you've earned enough money in your account, usually $30, you can request a PayPal payout, and they will send the money to your account within a few days. If you're looking for ways to make some extra money, Inbox Dollars is worth checking out.
Number 6. MyPoints, $5 sign-up bonus. MyPoints is another excellent website that lets you earn money by completing simple tasks.
You can sign up for free and start earning points by taking surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and more. Once you've earned enough points, usually around $25, you can request a PayPal payout, and the money will be sent to your account within a few days.
Number 7. Ibotta, $20 sign-up bonus.
Ibotta is a phone app where you can earn cash back on your grocery shopping. Just download the app, and take a picture of your receipt whenever you go grocery shopping to earn money.
You can also earn cash back on online purchases made through the Ibotta website. You can easily earn $20 fast with Ibotta by simply signing up and scanning your first receipt. Number 8. Rakuten, $30 sign-up bonus. Rakuten is an online cashback website.
You can earn cash back on your online shopping by going through the Rakuten website first and then clicking on which store you want to use. Rakuten will then give you a percentage of your purchase price in the form of a rebate. You can also earn Rakuten points by taking surveys, watching videos, and signing up for free trials. You can redeem these points for gift cards or PayPal cash.
Number 9. GetUpside.
GetUpside is a cashback app that offers rebates on gas, grocery, and restaurant purchases.
You can also earn points by taking surveys and watching videos.
You can redeem these points for gift cards or PayPal cash. The minimum withdrawal amount for PayPal is $15.
To get started with GetUpside, download the app and enter your email address to sign up.
Then, link your credit or debit card to the app. After that, you'll start earning cash back on your everyday purchases. Number 10. Get PayPal cash playing free games with Mistplay. Mistplay is a phone app that pays you to play games. You can earn points by playing games and redeem these points for gift cards or PayPal cash. To get started with Mistplay, download the app and create an account. Then, you'll be able to browse through the available games and start earning points. Number 11. Cashi. Cashi is a phone app that allows you to earn cash back on your online shopping. You can also earn points by taking surveys and watching videos. Points can be redeemed for PayPal Cash or gift cards. To get started with Cashi, download the app and create an account. Then, you'll be able to start earning cash back on your online shopping. Number 12. PrizeRebel. PrizeRebel is an online rewards website where you can earn points by taking surveys, watching videos, and signing up for free trials. You can redeem for PayPal Cash or gift cards. To start with PrizeRebel, create an account and verify your email address. There is no minimum withdrawal amount, and you can even withdraw your earnings as Bitcoin starting at $5. Number 13. Referring friends through PayPal Crypto. PayPal has a new feature that allows you to buy, hold, and sell cryptocurrency. You can also earn $10 in PayPal Cash when you refer a friend to sign up for a PayPal account. They need to buy at least $5 worth of crypto, and then you'll get $10. To get started, log into your PayPal account and go to the crypto section. Then, click on the referral program link. From there, you'll be able to copy your referral link and share it with your friends. Number 14. Grindabuck. Grindabuck is another online rewards website where you can earn points by taking surveys, watching videos, and signing up for free trials. These points can be redeemed for PayPal Cash or gift cards. The offers aren't as great as Swagbucks or Inbox Dollars, but they have friendly cash-out terms. The first withdrawal starts at $10. Number 15. Dosh. Dosh is an app that gives you cash back for your online shopping. Link your debit card to your Dosh account and then use the linked cards at thousands of participating stores or restaurants. It can take up to 10 days after in-store transactions and 30 days after online purchases for your cashback to hit your Dosh account. Number 16. Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards is an app that rewards you for shopping at participating grocery stores. You can also earn rewards by scanning items in the store, watching videos, and more. Once you scan your first receipt, you will receive 3,000 points which you can claim for a $3 Visa gift card. These rewards can be redeemed for gift cards or PayPal Cash. Number 17. Honey. Honey is an online shopping tool that automatically applies coupons and promo codes to your online shopping orders. You can also earn cash back on your online purchases. To start with Honey, create an account and install the extension in your web browser. Then, start shopping online as you usually would. The extension will automatically apply coupons and promo codes at checkout. Number 18. Complete market research studies with Prolific. Prolific is an online platform connecting researchers with people willing to participate in paid online focus group studies. Studies typically take a few minutes to a few hours to complete, and they pay you a minimum of $6.50 per hour. Number 19. Complete super short market research studies with 1Q. If you're looking for short and sweet market research studies, look no further. Studies on this platform only take a minute or two to complete, and you will earn 25 cents per multiple choice question. While the app does have good reviews, there are a few drawbacks. Question availability is limited. You'll need to turn on push notifications and location tracking to maximize questions. Questions expire after a particular time or when the response limit is reached. Number 20. Drop. Drop is an app that gives you rewards for shopping at participating stores. Create an account and link your debit or credit card to get started. Then, start shopping at participating stores and use your linked card to earn points. These points can be redeemed for gift cards or PayPal Cash. There are many platforms that offer points or rewards by completing certain tasks, such as online surveys, playing games, or simply shopping as you normally would. When you can turn those rewards into cash via PayPal, it feels like free money. It is worth considering downloading some of these apps and seeing what you can earn today. So, here are some of the ways from where you can earn free PayPal money. We hope you found our video informative. If you did, then please give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update.